Hi students, class 9, exercise number 7.1, question number 6. Find the area of the unshaded region. See, the diagram is given as the biggest triangle ABC and the smallest triangle is ABD. The smallest triangle is 90 degrees given. The values are given as 34, 42, 12, 16. We want to find out the unshaded region. This portion only we want to find out the area. So the total area minus area of the triangle ABD. First of all, we want to find out what is this side's area by using the triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. See, this is the triangle of ADB. This is 90 degree. This is 12. This is 16. This is unknown value. This is ABD. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, we can able to find what is this hypotenuse side. This is the 90 degree, so this is hypotenuse side. So, in triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, we have that hypotenuse side square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. The hypotenuse side is nothing but AB square, and then opposite side, let me choose any one of the side is opposite side, and adjacent side, that is 16 square plus 12 square. Then AB square is equal to 16 into 16 is 256. 12 into 12 is 144. Then AB square is equal to sum of this is equal to 400. Now we want to find only AB. Taking square root, AB is equal to root 400. 400 is nothing but AB is equal to 20. So this is 20 centimeter. AB is equal to 20 centimeter. So this side is we have find out that is 20. This is 20 centimeter. Now in the same triangle, this is a right angle triangle means, see, right angle triangle means one of the side is act as a height, another side is act as a base. So by applying in triangle ADB, area of triangle is equal to half base into height square units. So in this triangle, one of the side is 16, another side is 12. So let me take it as half base as 12 and height as 16. Right? So right angle triangle means perpendicular. So perpendicular means one of the line is act as a height. So half into 12 into 16. Now this will be divided by 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Then 6 into 16 is equal to 6 6 are 36, 6 centimeter 3, 6 ones are 6 plus 3 is 96 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region. This is area of the triangle ADB is shaded region. Now we want to find the area of the unshaded region. To find the unshaded region, first of all we want to find out what is the area of triangle ABC, the total area of this triangle, and then we have to subtract this two. In triangle ABC, let A is equal to, let me take it as 42 centimeter and B is equal to 34 centimeter and C is equal to 20 centimeter. By Heron's formula, first we want to find out the semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 42 plus 34 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to, sum of this value is equal to 76 plus 2 is 96 divided by 2. Then S is equal to 248 sir. So S is equal to 48 centimeter. Semi-perimeter. By Heron's formula we know the area of the triangle, root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square units. Now apply the values. Here S is equal to 48 and then 48 minus A is 42 and then 48 minus B is 34 and 48 minus C is equal to 20. The A, B, C value and then S value. Now simplify this. We get root of 48. 48 minus 42 is 6. 48 minus 34 is 14 and then 48 minus 20 is 28. Now expand the given term. This term is equal to root of 48 can be expanded in the form of 6 8s are 48. Expand பண்றோம் சரிங்களா 6 8s are 48. இங்க 6 இருக்கு. இங்க 14 7 2s are 14. இந்த 28 7 4s are 28. சரிங்களா இந்த 8 மட்டும் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணுங்க 4 2s ஆன் வரும் சரிங்களா. So 6 into 6 6 square into 7 into 7 7 square. இங்க ஒரு 4 இருக்கு. இந்த 8 4 2s are இங்க ஒரு 2 இருக்கு சரிங்களா. 6 into 6 6 square 7 into 7 7 square. இங்க ஒரு 4 இங்க ஒரு 2 இருக்கு. இந்த 8 4 2s are இருக்கும் சரிங்களா. 8 is equal to 4 into 2. Now this term is equal to 6 square into 7 square into 4 into 4 4 square 2 into 2 2 square சரிங்களா. 2 square 4 square இருக்கும். This term is equal to root of இப்போ ரூட்டை கேன்சல் பண்ணுறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இங்கே ரூட்டை கேன்சல் பண்ணுறோம்னா ஸ்கொயர் அண்ட் ரூட் வில் பி கேன்சல். தென் வி கெட் த வேல்யூ as 6 into 7 into 4 into 2. 6 into 7 into 4 into 2. Now multiple this 6 7s are 42. 42 into 4 is so 42 into 4 is 168 into 2 is 16 plus 1 12 13 plus 1 336 centimeter square. So in the area of the 336 centimeter வேணும். நம்ம இப்போ area of the unshaded region வேணும்னா the total area of triangle ABC minus the shaded region area of triangle ADB. So area of the triangle ABC நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் 336. area of the triangle ADB என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் அப்படினா see 96 னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். ADB 96 centimeter square. Now subtract this 336 ல 96 போச்சுனா 9 13 ல 6 போச்சுனா 9 போச்சுனா 4 then 2. The area of the unshaded region is 240 centimeter square is the answer. So unshaded region கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Total minus shaded region is the answer. Thank you students.